Ito, may isi-shoutout lang ako si Bulinaw Pride, Kako sa TV.
Now you can rest. Now you can rest. Yes. Now we're going to do that last. Okay, bring your arms up. Up. You see how tight I go?
Yeah.
It must be tight. Yeah. Good. It's unlocked. Pelvis is up. Bring the feet up just a little. Yeah. Perfect. Thank you, Michelle. Good. Just let it fall. Let it relax. Good. Get him set up. Spinal decom light. Does this feel better lower or higher? Better. Okay. And then you can just rest right there. No, let's just go decom light because it changed that. Yeah.
So decom light is supposed to be 55.
55. Yeah. So go back. Oh.
Oh.
Yeah. Now you can just do this. You can just start.
You did?
So watch this. Come over here. You see when we start, you see I can just get the width of my finger there, right? It's this part opens up. So see? Look how much it's opened up already. That's how much we're opening up his back. We start here and eventually it should open up about the width of my hand. That's how much we're stretching him. Okay, but we're starting him on a very low setting today, and we'll increase each visit. So it's going to be important to, if he tells you he was sore or in pain after the decompression, let us know the next day so we can adjust the settings and adjust the computer. Okay?
Okay,
good.
doctor.
But so far, from here, it's opened up here.
Then until it's wider.
Yes.
Doctor? Do you want us to go higher?
If there is an emergency, just tell us.
Oh yeah, then we can go up 5 pounds each visit.
No emergency? You feel better?
As long as he's not
Okay.
sore, to get to 50% plus of his body. Yes.
Starting
So
the
we'll
compression.
slightly increase the weight today. So you're on 105.
We are here in chiropractic and we start the compression of the spinal. And the doctor explained everything. It's low, I don't know how we call it, but it started with the low doses. It's just like a medicine, then until it widest, and up to the widest. Spinal decompression. I hope he will feel better after this. We will wait until it finishes. He's done.
So we'll have laser after this. So I will get out of you. I can.
Light?
Yeah, take your shoes off.
How many speed was that?
Sorry?
Speed.
So this machine?
Mm-hmm.
So it's not the speed, it's actually for the weight how it pulls. So we start with the 55 pounds.
55 pounds.
55 pounds pulling his lumbar spine.
Oh.
Yes.
okay.
So
Then the next time it's
next time, if he
get-
doesn't feel any soreness or any pain, discomfort on the lumbar spine within 48 hours, on the next visit, we probably keep the same number, but on the following visit, maybe third, we will increase the number about
Oh,
60
so in
pounds.
48 hours he will feel something.
It's not supposed to be. So if he feels the pain
Mm-hmm.
after this, then we have to keep the number same
Okay.
until he
because he
feels
said
fine.
he because he said he doesn't feel anything. That's why
Yeah,
I'm asking
mhm,
you.
mhm. We tried it first time
Lowest.
as like a lowest low number today
Okay.
because we don't want to hurt him in the
Yes.
first visit. Then he will want to come back to us. So, so
Okay.
the goal is on the half weight of the pulling on here.
Oh,
So
okay.
do you know how much you weigh?
Wait, I think 82 kilos.
Oh, kilos.
Yes.
So that's pounds.
82 kilos, as far as I remember.
All right. Yeah, 180 pounds. So the
180.
pounds.
Yeah. Oh.
So the goal is to get him up to 90 pounds.
Oh.
That's our goal.
Mm.
Today we did 55 pounds.
Okay.
Okay.
I thought he's finished, but we will go to the other room. He's done with this, and go to the other room. Is it okay if I can go there?
Yeah, you can come over here. All right. So, would you prefer in seated or lay on your stomach? Which one do you
Which
think?
do you prepare?
is
Lay
better?
down with your stomach or just sit? Which one? Which do you prepare?
Is it
Lay
gonna
down
be-
or sit?
So this one, it's gonna be look like this. It's like this. Or lay on your stomach. Which one do you
Which
think is
one?
better? This one? Yeah.
You want that one?
Leg over
Okay.
here, armrest here, okay?
You can do it or not? Be careful. You can do it. He cannot put raise his legs. There you go. Oops. Careful.
Good. That's good. Okay, and I can take your glass, so you're gonna be big.
Take off your glass.
Okay. And I'll put over there, okay? Good. So now you can have a sit over here.
Yeah, okay.
You need space?
No, I just need one more glass.
Can I sit here? Is it
Yeah,
okay?
yeah, yeah.
How do you call this one now?
So this is laser.
Laser.
Yes, it's gonna have laser now. Help with pain, inflammation that he has.
Oh, for pain inflammation. He's sitting there. We call it laser. He prepared to sit down. The other two lay down here with the stomach. He likes better there. He's done. He's done with this laser. And we're going home. That is only 5 minutes. We're finished.
Yeah, I made my decompression.
First,
Visit again one more time. We're done for the first day of treatment of Chiro. Say hello. Say you're done. You're done for the first day of treatment. Say it. Say it.
thank you.
Thank you.